Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 XT and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart our watch, we need to press and hold the lower button and keep holding it until you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen, which will take about, I would say, 10 or 15 seconds. So keep holding the button. And once you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. And the soft reset or force restart is useful, for example, if your watch is unresponsive, something is not working on it properly, or basically it's frozen or something like that. You could try to force restart it and hopefully it will solve your problems. Okay, and as you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.